Hello, today I am testing to see if I can get these pans clean. I asked my son, did he think I could do it? And he said, well, I don't know, but sometimes you surprise me. So we're gonna give it a test and see which we can clean. Now, I'm testing 8 different methods of cleaning, and we're gonna start with baking soda and regular old dish soap first, okay? Now this one's aluminum and this one is stainless. Now I got these at the thrift store. Okay, so I got one little drop of soap. I found these at the thrift store and was curious if I could get them to come clean. Okay, so baking soda and dish soap right here. Okay, and we'll do, whoops, hold on. Let's do it on the same order here. So okay. Well, okay. Pretty much the baking soda did nothing. I mean, maybe just a little bit, but okay, let me go rinse my rag so the dish soap is all out of there. You can see pretty much, I mean, it touched it, but not very much at all. Okay, that's the first one. Then the next one is, let's do the SOS. This is Mom's favorite, is the SOS. Now, I don't like the SOS because it always rusts. Now you can put it in the freezer, and a lot of people do that, and that's fine. I prefer this kind of scrubby. It doesn't rust, and you can use it for way many uses than you can SOS. Okay, so that's doing actually not too bad. Okay. All right, so there's the SOS. Okay, the SOS did get a little bit, so you can see the SOS did better on the aluminum. Now this one isn't near as bad as this one, so I totally get that. Okay, so that's the next one. Okay, the next one we'll use is my scrubby that I love with just a drop of soap. Okay. 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 Well, did make a little bit of a bigger dent there. So that one did a little bit better. You can see right there. Okay, we're doing better, getting better. Okay, now this is Mom's next favorite cleaner, not necessarily for dishes. She just likes Comet for stuff in general. Okay, so here's the next one, Comet. Okay, stick it right there. Okay, that really didn't do anything. Okay, that one didn't really do anything either. All right, the next is the pink stuff. Now I got this when I was in Europe, and they have it, when I was in England, I should say, and they have it now in the United States. And honestly, I really love this stuff, but I haven't tried it on anything like this. I love this stuff for the top of my stove. Okay, and Okay, so far this is the best one. Look at that. That's significantly better. And not quite so good, but still pretty good on that one. Okay, so now we got that one next. Now, this is the Dollar Tree cleaning paste. So let's see what it does. It has a different consistency than the pink stuff. Oh, I can tell already this isn't gonna do squat. This isn't even, that's not even budging. Oh brother, what a joke. Okay, so this is a joke right here. I mean, I'll do it on here just to, but yeah, this isn't even, you can say Tara keep, but I can just feel there's no resistance at all. Okay, get this stuff out. Let me go rinse my rag. Okay, I saved the one that everybody uses for the last of the regular cleaners. Test that, Barkeeper's Friend. Okay, here we go. It's actually doing pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Okay. Okay. I would say so far the two, so there's Barkeeper's Friend and right here is Barkeeper's Friend. I would say so far it's the pink stuff for Barkeeper's Friend. Now, I'm going to test. Now this is oven cleaner. And this says let it sit for 6 hours. Oh my goodness. First of all, you can't use it on aluminum. So this is aluminum. You can only use it on stainless. And I don't know how many hours to let this sit, but because I really don't want to mess with my experiment here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, you can see Barkeeper's Friend, or I mean pink stuff and Barkeeper's Friend worked the best. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this little bit here with Barkeeper's Friend and this with pink stuff, and then I'm going to do this with stainless. Oops, oh dear, didn't mean to put all of that on there. But, okay, so this one's Barkeeper's Friend. Okay, that's actually doing pretty good. Okay. All right, I scrubbed quite a bit. That would take a lot to do that whole pan. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna try the pink stuff. Okay, I have to say, I think the pink stuff actually feels like it's coming up a little bit quicker. I can go and look at my time lapse and see at the end to see how many minutes or seconds I was scrubbing. But this one seems like it's coming up quicker. Actually, it is. And it's much cleaner than this. So I'd say of all the scrubbers, pink stuff is #1. Blue Barkeeper's Friend, you can see, I mean, it blew Barkeeper's Friend out of the water. There's Barkeeper's Friend, here's pink stuff. It's not even a competition, actually. Let me go just a little bit longer with both of those, just to Hold on, let me just see. But I'm sure Pink Stuff blew Barkeeper's Friend out of the water. I mean, it's so much cleaner. It's not even funny. Now, the trick, guys, is to not let your pans get this bad. But let's say you're having, you know, money problems and you have to go to the thrift store and this is all you can find, or a friend gives you a pan or something. Well, then that's what I would do. Okay. Yeah. All right, we'll do Barkeeper's Friend just a minute more. Yeah, Barkeeper's Friend isn't even close to Pink Stuff. Wow, Pink Stuff is so much better. Yep, I know I didn't rub as long, but guys, I can just see right away. Okay, so I'm gonna spray on the oven cleaner and let that sit while I try Barkeeper's Friend and Pink Stuff on the aluminum pan here, and let's see what it does. Okay, Barkeeper's Friend first. Oh, oops. Okay, it's coming up. It's going to take quite a bit of work. Okay, now Pink Stuff. Well, okay, it looks like on the aluminum it's kind of a toss-up. All right, we're going to come back as soon as this is set. I don't know how long I'm going to let this sit, but I will come back and let you know how long I let this sit. It has been about 30, 45 minutes. Let's just see if it's getting anywhere. Well, sort of, not really. The Pink Stuff's doing better. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get this pan clean. I'm not gonna wait 6 hours. Oh my goodness. Well, I mean, I guess I could wait 6 hours. It did kind of make a little dent. You can see it did do something, but honestly, I'm not sure I'm up to scrubbing this whole pan. I'm just gonna turn around and give right back to the thrift store. I don't know. I keep going to see if I can get it clean. Okay, I do have fibromyalgia, so this kind of scrubbing does wear my hands out. I wonder if I let the Pink Stuff sit on here for a while. Now what's interesting is it does say this is all natural ingredients. So it makes me wonder if it's all natural, how is it actually cleaning? Because quite frankly, all natural products usually don't clean very well. Mild abrasive paste cleaners should be used with care. If in doubt, always test. Okay, that's fine. Rub gently, rinsing off with clean water. Well, that's what I'm doing. Be careful on stoves, on glass top stoves, because it can scratch. I use it on mine and don't really have a problem. Okay, this is taking a lot of scrubbing, but really it's only been 5 minutes. So it's actually not horridly bad. Oh, yeah, that's not doing nothing. It's a little bit, but okay, well, so that was about just over 5 minutes of scrubbing, and frankly, I'm tired. So, I mean, I'm not keeping this pan for anything, so that, I mean, while it's not perfect, all right, Jack, come give me your 2 cents. That is better than when it started, isn't it?
It is, yes.
If I would have kept scrubbing, I could have got a little bit more, but I could have got a lot more. Do you want to scrub? No, not really.
Not really.
All right, so that's 5 minutes of scrubbing, guys. Honestly, I could keep going, except my hands are hurting, so. Okay, you can see the inside of this pan isn't that great. Neither is this one and the back of this one. So I am going to do a test since Pink Stuff and Barkeeper's Friend did the best. I'm gonna do, well, so this has slightly more, well, there's some over here too. So I'm gonna do this half and we'll see what gets it better. Now I'm gonna use a green scrubby this time because everybody said my last video I wasn't testing it right because I didn't use the green scrubby. It wouldn't have made any difference. Okay, ooh, that's looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Oops, it's my dish towel from testing cheesecakes. Oops. Okay, so there's Barkeeper's Friend. Did a pretty good job, did a pretty good job. Okay, now let me rinse thoroughly. Here's Pink Stuff. I can tell you right now, this doesn't take near as much scrubbing. I can just feel it releasing. That didn't even come close to being the same amount of scrubbing. This stuff scrubs so much better. All right, Pink Stuff. I want some affiliate links here. I want some sponsorship here, Pink Stuff. Yeah, Pink Stuff wasn't even a comparison to Barkeeper. This came off so much easier. Look at that. So here's the original Pink Stuff and Barkeeper's Friend. So there's Pink Stuff over here, Barkeeper Friend over there, and there's the middle of what it looked like originally. No comparison, no comparison. Okay, now let's try this one. Let's test. So can you see how it's, see that? Okay, let's test Barkeeper's. Whoa, didn't mean to get that much. Okay. That's pretty good. Yep. Okay. Now the Pink Stuff. Well, didn't mean to get that much either. Wow. Yeah, that doesn't even compare. It is so much quicker getting the stuff off than Barkeeper's Friend. It's like night and day. I barely have to scrub to get the same amount off. But they do clean about the same. Pink Stuff is the winner, guys. Hands down. Pink Stuff is the winner. You Brits have it down. Thank you, guys. The link is in the description below.